I'm currently in Deggendorf and it's snowing, and yeah, snowing, and I have to say it's a dead city in the currently Saturday night. It's a nice city. It's located in Bavaria over the Danube river, and just about 33,000 people in here, so nothing really happening here. History traced back to first known to man settlement were around 1,000 years ago. The real development happened during the Holy Roman Empire, and until today it's grown and grows and grows, and until now. But it's not a big city. It's like the other German type or European type of city: church, Rathaus, which is the city hall, and the Altstadt, which is the old city, and probably that's all. And a little bit the new city surrounding, but not so much. You've been in one, you've been in other, it's the same. I mean, every city have its own unique things and character, I will say, but it's practically the same. When they start, they build the church and they build the city hall, and everything is around this area. Just for the understanding, the size of the city is not so big, and the old city is really tiny. You can see it starts somewhere in this area and stretch from this church here, all of this area here, until a little bit after the other church, and a little bit after this area it's finished, with the small streets in between. The new city is a little bit bigger than this, but it's not a really big city. 33,000 people, so that's all. And this is Sunday morning, so you see it's quiet and empty.